So nothing of what I feel is real. But I'm such a drama queen. I know it's just a crush. 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 I know it's just a crush. 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 You said hi and I thought, here we go. Can you tell that I am all but sober?
Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull a drop top out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low. But I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. Love on people tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, bear with it. But let 'em stare at it. Now I'm prepared. Always say to love out loud since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, meet me. Timing's right. Our romance to be. Can't deny. I love the things we do when it's just us two. But tonight, meet me outside. Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. I'm a good catch, but I never let him catch me. No, I never let him claim me. Wild thing try to tame me, but you got my mood on sunshine. Let's take a trip, souls on big smiles. Let's hit this lake, stars are in line. I'm posted, lay with me in the moonlight. I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. Love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so bear with it. We can let 'em stare at it. Now I'm prepared. Always did a love out loud since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, meet me. Time is right. Our romance to be. Can't deny. I love the things we do. But tonight, outside. Outside. Yeah. Baby, I ain't buying no more dreams. So what you selling? My pockets got dry from the bullshit. But if you so for real, you could get it wet, but not too much. Don't wanna drown a flame, keep that fire lit. Breathe life into it. Now we own my place, always stays true. I won't give my body to nobody new. Can you believe that we could be forever in heat? If you get me till we 6 feet under stress, or if it's all sweet, just hold me down deep. We won't burn out. Here with me, we could be always in heat. Ooh, yeah, yeah. trust in it. Just don't rush, baby. Ignite my desire for your loving. Slow burn till time for combustion. Baby, I'ma need an R&B love from the 90s. Tell me how you would die without me. Spin, move in the rain, drop to your knees. Passion on Venus, never kill the flame, keep that fire lit. Show me why you deserve it. Now we own my place, always stays true. I won't give my body to nobody new. Can you believe that we could be forever in heat? You get me through 6 feet under stress, or if it's all sweet, just hold me down deep. We won't burn out. Here with me, we could be always, 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 do, yeah, that easy bacon make her never wanna leave, so we stay always. I'm really on fire tonight. Can't nobody hold me down. I'm doing whatever now. Ain't got no time to fight. I'm talking way too loud. And if you don't like the sound, you could just tune it out. Who you rooting for? They say whatever team that'll win. I say cool, cause it's gonna be whichever one I win. Yeah, I'm good like that. Yeah, I'm good like that. Who you rooting for? They say whatever team that'll win. I say cool, cause it's gonna be whichever one I'm in. Yeah, I'm good like that. Yeah, I'm good like that. Telling you that I might never go to sleep, stay up all night, doing just what I like. No more hoping, no, I'm right like this. I don't lie like this. I'm on fire like this. This, yeah. Him and her and they don't know that they looking over here, they giving me a stare like I could. Like I could. No, no. Who you rooting for? They say whatever team that'll win. I say cool, cause it's gonna be whichever one I'm in. Yeah, I'm good like that. Yeah, I'm good like that. Floating on my wave, but don't care what you say, cause really either way, I'ma do it like that. I'ma do it. I'ma do it like that. I'ma do it. I'ma do it like that. 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 I'ma do it like that.
Look how they looking at me. I think they influenced by me. They say they not fucking with me, alright. Wish all they looking at me. She want me to slide for the flame. She want me to show her some things. But right now I'm focused on me doing me. Gotta watch step on the tightrope. I never fall off this light work. Know it's people trying to see me down real bad. Same ones trying to meet me where I'm at now. Same ones trying to figure how I got here. I been sipping my pop, bitch, sipping my sauce. Been writing these songs since 40 and key drop. Tell me when to go, how you think I'm finna stop. I be protecting my inner child. You could keep all of that dissonance. They be hating on me cause they see I'm gifted. It's all for the show, your shit 3D print. I been doing me like I got a blank check. I been taking shade for the love and respect. Wanna touch stage, cross seas on me. No drama, more flights, next year's looking lit. I'm laid up in somebody's grass. I'm burning the gas to my last breath. Life is so fragile, enjoying the roses.
Hi my loves, hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. I know I haven't spoken in this vlog, but I'm doing a typical day in my life when I'm going to work and what I do. So that's what this vlog is about. But I just received my phone. I think my husband ordered this last month and we've been waiting for it, and what a coincidence. I am shooting today and it just got delivered today. I am excited. So let's open my iPhone 15 Pro Max together. Yeah.
Feeling this way since top of the year. Lately we've been real unsure, unclear. Is it just me? Where do you go when you disappear? Tell me your secrets, you got my ear. Room to assume it's feeding my fears. Don't wanna leave, pull me in closer. Can we start over? Don't want nobody but you. No matter what we go through, keeping it between us two, me and you. Can we survive the distance? Don't know what we're missing, but there is a space between us. I know healing ain't instant, but can we survive the distance? Lifetimes are going like years away. More it will grow, the more we delay. I'm just hoping it isn't too late. What can I do? Sorry if it's a little cliche. I know it's supposed to live in the gray. Leave it to chance or leave it to fate. But I'm missing you, pulling closer. Can we start over?
Hi guys. Hi. So I rested for 1 hour and I've gotten ready to go to work. I'm wearing this leather skirt and this cardigan, styling it with this boot. Yep. So let me just wear this because I have just 10 minutes to prepare to go to work. The good thing is I checked to work. My house to my place of work is 15 minutes, so that's the advantage of working close to the house. I'm just very
I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. See, we was cool right before it hit the fence, but it hit the fan when I got him down at the bench. But I took a break, I had to leave and go get cleansed. God forgive me for all my sins. I can't say these cause my last name ain't Kent. Cooking on the stove, that's the way he paid the rent. Working on the pole, that's the way she paid tuition. Better watch your soul, cause you know they trying to get it. Yeah, yeah. I learned my right from wrong on a song. I let my heart bleed on my sleeve through microphones. I'm trying to right my wrongs by writing out my wrongs. Ran through a check, cause it's hard to live off bread alone. So if you see me slipping, yeah, let me know. Cause it ain't the end of times yet, I know, but it's getting close. Yeah, I need my space to breathe, that's why I be going ghost. I ain't trying to stay up on that wide road, cause I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. They thinking I'm bluffing, but I promise I do it. That K got a drum, like murder and booming. We sending you vert, if I get my little Uzi. They thinking I'm crazy, I'm gon' see you the haters. People I'm saying, get what I'm painting. A picture big, I call it little baby. If I'm on the board, then we playing chess. If you on my way, you gon' need a vest. Act big, you might get stretched. All your gun talk, I ain't impressed. My 45 seen real traffic. That's Dallas, Texas. My little partner called a body for a Maserati. He told him get about the car, hit him with the shotty. That 12 gauge, gave him life in the 12th grade. I tried to write him, but we ain't on the same page. I caught him slipping, I just had to let him know. It ain't the end of times yet, I know, but it's getting close. These demons really out to get you, so you better guard your post. There's certain things I could probably let go, but I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. I can't let them take my soul.
Get out the way. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm raising the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, who got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm trying to get these ends, building empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business. No time for stress over bush. You think success is an option? I'm trying to get this poppin' like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Ain't that I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time, my time, my time. Order in the court. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours, boss. To the floor. It's my time. You was for you, I was for us. You do the math, don't add up. Even on my worst day, down on my luck. I got the sauce, I'ma always come up.
Hi my loves, it's good morning. So it is 49 minutes past 12 and I just got back. I've had my bath and yeah, so today is Friday, which means I'm not going to work tomorrow, so I have time to rest. And I think I want to start editing this vlog because it would go live on Sunday. Yes, this is just a typical day in my life, working 3:30 p.m. to 12 midnight, and yep, it's just what I do. When I started, I was really stressed, but with time I've gotten used to it, and I think I've tried to schedule myself and I've adjusted a bit to this lifestyle. Yep, so I just want to end this vlog here. Hope you enjoy the vlog, hope you like the vlog. Don't forget to please leave your comment, like this video, leave your comment and subscribe. It really means a lot to me, and I'll see you all in my next vlog. Thank you so very much. God bless you. Bye.